This is the horizontal rib slide, right and left. We're going to start off in neutral position, and you can place your arms out to the side very gently like this. Nothing, no broken wing or anything like that, or straight, just kind of very relaxed to the side. And then what you want to do is you want to isolate your top, and you want to slide your rib cage to the right as far as you can, leaving your hips stable, leaving your hips stationary. We're not going to move that at all. And as you move your rib cage to the right, you're going to keep your shoulders level. In other words, we're not going to be dipping and diving over here as well. So let's give it a go. First of all, you're going to reach over to the side, pretend like you're wanting to grab something, and feel your obliques engage. All right, side benefit, obliques. The return to neutral, and then then go to the other side. Stretch, and back to neutral. Again, so we're going to go reach to the side, neutral, reach to the side, neutral, keeping our lower body isolated. Side, neutral, side, neutral. From the side, it looks like this. And I'll move my arm down so you can actually see a little bit. Side, neutral, side, neutral, side, neutral, side, neutral. One more time for the front. Side, neutral, side, neutral. Very good. That is our horizontal rib slides, right and left.